What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows Update KB5057056. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to install this update, the easiest way to basically fix this, like if you're getting an issue installing this, is to go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot until you see the troubleshoot settings. In here, you want to then click into additional troubleshooters, and you want to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. A lot of times, any Windows Update issues that you're getting, such as for this one, you run this, let this process run, and then you will be able to essentially install the update. If this doesn't work, what you want to do on top of this is to now go to your search bar and type in services until you see this page pop up. In here, type in Windows Update until you find Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Double click into it. First, change the startup type to automatic from whatever it is. And if the process is running, stop it and start it again. And if it's not running, press the start button and then try to do the Windows Update. Once you do this, you should be good to go and should be able to update your Windows. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.